horizontal pipe. This airflow is horizontal pipe according to the picture, and water U-tube manometer is given connected between pipe and shown in figure. Is calculate the manometer ace. That means this ace we have to calculate. We have to calculate this ace. Okay, then we know all equation. We know the the density is given and all is given, but what is the main point? We have to apply the formula. We know the air pressure, air density. We know the air density is the 1.23 kg per meter cube. This is the air density, and also Q air density, and also Q is flow rate. This the Q is given. This Q is given. Q is 200 liter per second. Just we can convert in the meter cube and divide 0.2 meter cube per second, right? And then we know the diameter is d1. Diameter is given is 20 centimeter, that means it's 0.2 meter, and d2 diameter is also given is the 0.1 meter. And also ace we have to find out, and also water density. We know that water density is the 1000 kg per meter cube, right? And all we know, just we have to apply the Bernoulli equation. Bernoulli equation equal, actually we know the P1, we know this formula, and from here we have to decorate the total equation. We have to rho Ag and equal to V2 minus V1 divided by 2G. Just V2 here, V1 and V2. This 2 is very important. We don't know what is V1 and where is V2. We don't know, but we know the Q. We know the quantity equation A1 V1 equal to A2 and V2. Also we know the Q. We know the Q from where also A we know, that means diameter we know, area also we know, and also A2 to second diameter we know, and area will know, and by this way V1 and V2 will get easily. What will be the V1? V2 was 6.37 meter per second, and V2 is the 25.46 meter per second. Here, and also another is here Z1 equal to Z2 equal to 0, because is situated in the vertical. There is no any distance and height. Reference axis is the same distance, is situated this line. Okay, and V2 and V1. V2 is a 25.46 square minus 6.37 square and divided by 29.81. After putting all value, we'll get that the value. We will get the P1 minus P2, and we know there is the 19 and 10, and just after calculating P1 minus P2 will be Yes, we'll get this P1 P2, but here is one important, and difference of pressure we know, but pressure P1 minus P2 equal to A's rho of water G. That means we can say the A's into 18 and 10, and just we can put by this 9, 8, 10, and